yo, I must admit, we're cooking it up, formula, we getting lit. We're cooking it up.
This is Batch Kitchen. We're going to make some Hungarian Langos. Yes.
Yeah, and who are you?
Oh, my name is Jeanette.
And where you from?
I'm from Hungary.
Oh man. And she in Patch's kitchen. And guess what? She gonna cook something that's from Hungary. What is the name of it?
Langos. It's pretty much fried bread. And it's really good. It's quick. It fills you up. Ooh,
Yummy.
You can season it with garlic. Also, you can put sour cream and cheese on it. Or just a little salt on the side. And that's it. How you prefer. It's easy peasy.
Okay, and what you normally eat it with?
You can eat it as a breakfast. And definitely fill you up, so you don't want to eat it before you go sleep.
Oh, okay. So what you do with that right there, with the dough?
You have to stretch it.
Like pizza?
Yeah, like pizza. Sorry, I don't do this every day, so.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
So you just have to wait until it color a little bit goldish color. Don't keep it too high because it's gonna cook too fast and it's not cooking through. So you just soon you see a little brown or golden color.
Yeah. Oh, okay. You just flip it over.
Yeah. Give it a second.
Oh. That's cool. This is Hungarian food for all the people in Hungary. I know y'all know what this is.
Hungry from Hungary.
You know what I'm saying?
Hungarian.
Yes,
Yeah.
Hungarian. Yep, see? Wow.
So pretty much you have to be quick with this, so you need somebody who can help you out. So like this
And
one,
then you get
pretty much,
you got sour cream.
because it's still warm.
You put sour cream on it. Okay.
Pretty much.
And this is a dish that they eat every day?
Pretty much. I mean, not every day, but
What you normally eat it with?
I eat with sour cream and cheese.
They don't eat it with like chicken or nothing like that?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's similar like cookies for us, but it's more the salty type.
Oh, so it's pretty much like a snack.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel you up. It's really good, and it's the best when it's still warm. So you don't really want to, wait until it cool off too much because it's so good when it's
Wow,
nice.
you see how y'all do that? You stretch it like that. See that?
Trying to do on the side so you don't stretch too much in the middle.
Oh. Wow. This is cool.
Yeah, it's really quick.
Yeah.
And it really fill you up.
Yeah. It's like dough. Bunch of dough. So with
It
the
don't
dough,
cost too much.
with the dough, is it any seasoning in the dough or anything that you do?
No,
Or just
it's natural.
regular dough.
It's
Okay.
pretty much flour, eggs, water, and a pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt. Okay. Yeah, that's the seasoning then.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, and also you need baking soda in it
Baking soda. Okay.
because it had to
Rise up.
Yeah.
Look good though. It remind me of like you know how they do funnel cakes? Like
It's
this
similar.
how it's similar to a funnel cake.
Yes. But
But they
that
put
is
sugar on it.
more
Yeah.
sweet. This is more the salty side. So it's, back in Hungary, we really we like seasoning. We like salt, pepper, everything. We give a good taste.
Okay. You know what this remind me of? In the islands we have in Jamaica and like the Virgin Islands and in the Caribbean, they make something like this, but they call it Johnny cake. You know what I'm saying? It's called Johnny cake. We fry it just like this, the same way.
Yeah, and I think also in it's the Egyptian, no. Oh my gosh.
The Indians.
The Indians also
Yeah, the
make
Indians
a bread.
make it,
They
yeah.
cook it on the rocks.
Yeah. And they put curry on it. Yep.
Yes.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah. So that's why it's easy. It's pretty much the same ingredients. It's just we cook it different ways.
It cooks fast though.
Yeah, really quick.
It cooks really fast. This is cool. Yeah, on this channel we show all different types of food because we have all different type of ethnicities.
Oh yeah.
And we showing all kind of food, whether it's Jamaican food to Chinese food, whatever. We do all foods up here. Hungarian food is what we're dealing with right now.
If you want your mouth water, watch Pot Patch Kitchen.
Yeah.
We like to eat. We like to eat, that's
Yes.
for sure.
See that? You see how she's moving that? You see that? Y'all gotta look at that. There's a technique to it, see?
Yeah, you just move your finger around circle on the ends, because that's where you stretch it. And the rest is come.
Bam. See that? Oh man, it cooks so fast. Like real fast. And it's not messy either.
I mean, that part messy, yes.
Yeah.
You don't grab it right.
If you don't grab it right, you're in trouble. So all of them you put sour cream on, huh?
It's up to the person
up to the
who wanna
person.
eat it, you know, it's your choice. You don't have to.
So you could
just
oh,
put
so
cheese
that
on
means,
it.
or you could put cheese on it, you could put, oh, you know what I'm gonna try mine with? Guess what I'm gonna try mine
You
with?
can with
I never tried
paprika,
Yeah, paprika?
or you can.
Guess what I'm gonna try? I'm gonna try honey on
pepper.
mine.
Yeah.
See if it tastes good with
Actually,
honey.
somebody tried with jam. I never
With
eat
honey?
that.
Oh, with jelly?
Yeah. I never eat that kind of that, but
Oh,
you
man.
know, I mean,
Wow.
it tastes good.
You see how it floats up, y'all? YouTube, look at that. Y'all could try this and try it out. You might like it.
Oh yeah.
Try it. Zanette is cooking this one. See? Zanette. See?
It's my birthday.
That's her. Oh yeah, it's her birthday today too.
Yeah.
Happy birthday! Yeah, I had Lady I and I in the back. Yeah, Lady I and I in the back.
She's ready to eat, son.
Yeah, she ready to eat too. Yep.
Easy peasy. You take 10 minutes. It's something easy to cook if you have somebody over and you know you just have a beer. It's
Yeah.
actually good with beer.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So if they're watching a football game or something, they
Yeah,
could
this
they could
is
sit down.
actually help with your stomach acid. You know? Like with beer, like even next to a glass of wine, you
Oh,
put
man.
wine on it, so it's
Okay.
really good.
But make sure you get the right wine,
Oh
right?
yeah, and also what I did when I was little, I love with tea.
With tea.
A cup
Okay.
of tea.
Oh, it's like okay, so that's like the English, because the people in UK and in London, they drink this type of stuff. They eat this stuff with tea, and also they have this thing called crumpets that they eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the tea.
Oh, that's a good one too.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
crumpets are good. Yeah, see, I've been all over the place, so I've been around a lot of food.
Yeah. I love to learn different kind of type because you know
It's always good
that's
to
how
know.
we should be.
Yeah,
you know?
it's always good to know.
Open for other foods, not just a fast food type, but
Yeah,
also
yeah.
what you can make.
You gotta know how to cook too.
Yeah.
That's just what it is.
It feels good sometimes when you make your own food because
That's right.
you know what you're eating first, second,
Mhm.
and it make you proud. You know, it's a different experience. You know,
Mhm.
it give you the like, oh, I did that. That's so good.
Yeah.
The other people gonna try what you like, so you never know. My son he loves this.
Mm.
He loves it. It's easy. crazy.
Yeah, he was like earlier. He was like, yeah.
Cook it.
He's like, cook it, cook it.
I'm hungry. Yeah, some
Oh, man.
Hungarian.
And you say you could put garlic in it too?
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Like
man.
back home,
Mhm.
where we went to eat this kind of stuff, like they have sales, like people selling each other items,
Mhm.
fruits, vegetables, blankets, whatever.
Yeah.
And they always have a bodega where they make this kind of stuff, and they always have long lines.
Wow.
Because it's pretty much a tradition back home. Older people making it because they do really good, and they what they make is much bigger.
Basically, it's like, just like when you go to Italy, the favorite thing they have in Italy is spaghetti.
Oh yeah.
Either pasta or spaghetti. They gotta have that. That's like their
Yeah,
culture,
They make
you know?
their own sauce.
Yeah, they make their own sauce and
Own
everything.
sauce, own pasta.
This you probably could dip in sauce too.
Yeah, probably.
Oh man,
You can make your own sauce.
Mhm. this would probably good.
Definitely.
This probably be good with like tomato sauce, like dip it in tomato sauce.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, yummy, yummy.
I can't wait till I try it. This is my first time trying it. And the name of it is again?
Langos.
Langos. How you spell that? How you spell it so I could know?
Langos.
Oh wow,
You look it up
Langos.
on the search, web search.
Mhm.
It comes up Langos.
Okay, okay. I'm gonna look it up.
Hungarian dish.
This is my first time eating Hungarian food. I'm eating Hungarian food. I'm eating it from Hungary today. So all the Hungarians that's watching this video, give it a thumbs up, give us a like, a subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment. If you ate it before, put in the comments, be like, yeah, I ate that, I love it. You know what I'm saying? And tell me how you eat it, so we could know what to put on the channel. Okay?
You guys like.
That's right. Because we use formula, okay,
Next time we
on
can,
Patch's Kitchen channel, okay?
we can make guiache if you guys will want
Mm-hmm.
any Hungarian guiache.
Yeah, we're gonna do that too. We're gonna do that.
If anybody has an idea for his Hungarian food,
Mm-hmm.
let us know and we can make it.
So all the Hungarians be up here because she gonna be making different stuff. Okay? All right. See, look at that. Look at that. Bam. Bam. Look at that. Zoom in. Bam. I'm gonna zoom it in even some more. Wait. Bam. Bam. Look at that. Yeah. So see, we all set. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that.
Nice and
Oh
roll.
my God, look at that. I gotta go around. It's like a tower, a mountain or something. Look at it. Look at that. Whoa, Lady I and I. Come see this, Lady I and I. This is. Oh man, look at this.
Oh wow!
Woo-wee.
Wow, that looks great.
Yes. Oh my God, that's
Look
beautiful.
at that.
I went around it like this. I had to kind of round it like over it and everything.
Oh man, yeah. Put
Look,
cheese.
and look what she got. Look what she got doing over
You
there.
can eat this probably with
See?
sugar.
Oh
brown sugar.
man. Cheese, she putting cheese on it. Look y'all. That's a different one. She preparing hers different. See?
Ooh,
This is
you
dope.
should melt the cheese in the microwave.
Whoa.
And you just fold it.
And you fold it. Oh.
Fold
You
it.
fold
Have a
it. Look at
paper
that.
towel.
This is how you eat it. She's showing us the real way because we don't know. We learning today.
I'm learning.
So this is how you eat
Put
it.
it on.
It's
You
like
Oh,
buy-
like a taco.
puffy, like
Like a puffy,
chalupa.
yeah, like a puffy taco or something. Oh man.
You should hold it up to the camera.
Yeah, let them see it. Let them see all inside of it. Yeah. Bam. Look at that, y'all. Look at that.
Delicious.
Man. So now, yeah.
Yeah, definitely gonna lick your fingers.
Lick your fingers. But tell everybody how it was and what you feel about it.
Thank you so much for watching us. It's really good. So definitely make sure you have a drink next to it. Wash it up a couple of times because it will fill you up. So
Oh man.
and again, it's your taste, whatever you like, how you like it. Is it sweet or sour? That's how I grew up and that's what we grew up on. So for me, it's a tradition.
Wow.
I love it. So
Love it.
enjoy.
Enjoy.
Again, watch